10:28 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kinipa, or 14 miles northeast of Uvalde, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Uvalde, Hondo, La Pryor, Batesville, Savannah, Knipa, Uvalde Estates, Dehanas, and Washington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station WXK-67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin-San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office.
That was why. It was on single.
The current time is 9:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Medina County, southern Uvalde County, northern Zavala County, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9.
Okay, that's what I didn't get.